Good day everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we're making beef stir fry. It's tender, it's juicy, and it's flavorful. Please see the full list of ingredients in the video description. Now let's get started. We're using 750 grams or 1.5 pounds of beef. Choose your best cut. Now let's trim off the fat membrane. Slice the beef against the grain. This keeps the meat tender. Aim for medium thin slices. Not too thick, not too thin, so they cook evenly. To help tenderize the beef, flatten the slices slightly with the size of your knife. Now let's make a quick tenderizing mix. In a small bowl, combine half teaspoon of baking soda with half cup of cold water or 8 tablespoons. Pour the mixture over the beef and mix well so every piece is coated. Let it marinate for 15 to 30 minutes to work its magic. Baking soda raises the pH on the meat surface, making it harder for the proteins to bond and resulting in a much more tender bite. Now on the marinade sauce. In a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of seasoning soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix well. Now add half teaspoon of ground black pepper. Give it a quick stir. Take 3 tablespoons of this sauce and mix it into the marinated beef. Stir until the slices are well coated. Optional, if you like richer taste and color, go ahead and add 1 more tablespoon. Next, the starch mix. In a small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch or potato starch with 1.5 tablespoons of cold water. Stir until dissolved and add it to the beef. Mix well to coat. Finally, drizzle in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Give it a final mix and let the beef rest for another 30 minutes. Cornstarch not only helps seal in juices, but it also gives meat that signature glossy finish when stir-fried. While that's resting, let's prepare the stir-fry sauce. In a bowl, combine 1/3 cup of cool water, half teaspoon of chicken powder, half tablespoon of marinade sauce from earlier, and half tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Stir until fully dissolved and set aside. Also, mix together your slurry for thickening later. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch or potato starch with 3 tablespoons of cold water. Mix well and set aside. Now let's prep the veggies and aromatics. Mince 4 cloves of garlic. Chop half a sweet onion. Cut 2 stalks of green onion. And slice 1 bell pepper. Garlic has been used for both culinary and medicinal purposes for over 5,000 years. Ancient Egyptians even fed it to pyramid builders to boost their strength. Let's get cooking. Heat your pan or wok over medium-high heat for about 1 to 2 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and half the minced garlic. Once fragrant, add half of the marinated beef in a single layer. Let it sear without stirring for about 2 minutes to avoid clumping. Then add half tablespoon of cooking wine. It's optional if you don't have it. And half tablespoon of their stir-fry sauce. Cook another 2 minutes, then transfer to a plate. Repeat the same steps with the second batch. In traditional Chinese cooking, this batching technique helps maintain wok heat and gives a better sear. It's called wok heat or breath of the wok. Now let's bring it all together. In the same pan, add remaining garlic, sweet onion, and bell pepper. Stir fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Add the rest of the stir fry sauce. Then return all the cooked beef to the pan. Give it a quick stir. Then drizzle in the slurry mixture and stir fry for about 2 minutes until everything is nicely coated and the sauce thickens. Transfer everything to a serving plate. And there you have it, beef stir fry. Classic dish, but has flavor explosion. Enjoy it with a bowl of steaming hot white jasmine rice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Got questions? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas. Until next time, keep that good appetite, and you won't be disappointed. Bye for now.